Hello YouTube, this is Dark bringing another Koolo video. This time we're going to be talking about how to build from the source instead of using the zip file, and this will also give you instructions on how to install updates as well. So what we want to do is we want to go to the GitHub website for Koolo, and the directions are there, or you can just follow along with me and we can do it together. So we need to download Go and we need to download Git. We're going to install those, and then we're going to run the terminal commands here. So let me go ahead and install those, and then I'll be right back and I'll show you that. All right, so the second part of this is going to be running git bash as administrator. Make sure you run it as admin. If you don't, you're going to get an error when you try to do this. And then we're going to type in what it says above. So we're going to say git clone https and the forward slashes github.com. Sometimes when you're doing this, it'll require you to log in. I'm not really sure if that was just me, but it may be you as well. Just go ahead and create the account for GitHub. It's useful. And then just hit enter when you're done. You'll see that it starts to copy over the build files. And then we're going to, from here, we're basically done with this. You can do a git pull here, and that will, oops, we have to change directory first. I'm sorry. Change directory to Koolo, and then you can do a git pull to update. And if you did that, it would update your files. But before you do that, you want to be careful with this because this can delete files that you've already edited. So before you do any kind of updating, either here or within the actual, like the building process, just make sure you back up any files that you have so you don't delete anything. And then what we're going to do next is we're going to come into our hard drive and we're going to find users, my username. You're going to see Koolo is freshly populated here. If you installed this on C drive, yours should be the same as far as I know. And then we're going to run the betterbuild.bat. It does say to run build.bat in the instructions, but when I tried that, it didn't do anything. So I think the instructions are a little bit outdated. We want to run this instead. And make sure you run it as admin, just like everything else, because if you don't, it probably won't work right. Okay, so I created everything. You can see success. Koolo.exe was created. Press any key to exit, so we're going to do that. And then if you want to find the freshly built files that we made, we're going to go to build in the same directory. And there you go. Here is Koolo.exe. This is the most recent version that we can use. So hope that helps, guys. If you're interested in doing that, this is probably the most effective way to run Koolo, because this will keep us updated and basically avoid any like issues that may crop up in the future. Just like Colbot, just like, well, unfortunately, Atoll hasn't been updated in a long time, but if it were, that would still be a good idea to do it. Anyway, guys, I hope that helps. If it did, please like and subscribe as always, especially if you want to see more content like this. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.